Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Benson Boone, he has this song called Man in Me. Very easy to handle, guys. 4 chords rolling in the same way, and we'll love that scenario. Let's check this one out. And we have a capo on the first fret, absolutely best to use that one. And with that, the D minor, G, C, and A minor, that's the 4 chords needed. Let's go into it and start with D minor. So we have open D, second G, third B, and first E. That's the first chord. Over to G next. And we have third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. The third chord is C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord, A minor, goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So I started this tutorial with a melody. I'm gonna show you that first. It's just to alternate 2 notes, and you can hear that from like 2 minutes and 33 seconds into the song, how he starts to play that, and it's in the background there. So chord by chord, starting with D minor, you're gonna alternate open D with first E. You're gonna play that for 8 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go over to the next chord, G, and that is to alternate the 3rd fret E string in the bass with the open B. This with this. 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go over to the C chord and alternate the 3rd fret A string with open high E for 8 rounds. 7, 8. And finally you have the A minor part where you alternate the open A string with the 1st fret B string for 8 times as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. So together it sounds. Alright, and now into the strumming to handle it with the full chords. So if you grab the first chord, the D minor 1 string around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up is 1 round. So and I played 4 rounds for you. That is what you're gonna do as well. And we play, of course, in the same chord progression: D minor 4, G4, C4, and A minor 4, like this. And that is how you handle it, my friends. You're just gonna keep on that D minor, G, C, and A minor rolling through the entire song. Told you it was easy. Now, that is how I handle it. Man in Me from Benson Boone. Good luck and play tuned.